Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix notification not working on iOS 17. So guys, if the notifications are not working on iOS 17 and you are facing this problem, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here you have to simply make it sure that you have not turned on silent mode on your device. So as from here you have to simply turn off the silent mode from here. So guys, here you can see this, I have turned the silent mode off from here. So after this you have to simply scroll it below and you have to make it sure that you have not activated do not disturb option in here. So I simply tap on this and turn this off if it is on. So guys, after this go for the next solution, that is you have to open settings, and from here you have to tap on notifications, and from here you have to simply scroll it below, and from here check if the notifications are off for different apps. So guys, open the app for which you are not receiving the notification. So guys, here you can see this, the notification for my Facebook is turned off. So I simply tap on this, and from here you have to simply turn on notifications. So as you can see this, I have turned them on, and from here you have to simply go back and you have to turn on notification for all other apps if you are not receiving the notifications on your iPhone. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So for that, simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply force restart the device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.